Welcome to the wonderful Meadow Ridge Plan in Gibsonia. When driving on Navajo Court, you will notice this spectacular brick home with its colossal size. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a half bath, main level laundry, gourmet kitchen, wood-burning fireplace, and so much more. When you walk in the front door, you will notice the 2-story foyer and its fabulous arches. To the left you will see the living room, which has open arches boasting an open concept into the dining room. This home features an open concept kitchen and family room. The eat-in kitchen has new stainless steel appliances, a large pantry, and granite countertops. The family room features lots of natural lighting and a specular wood-burning brick fireplace, which also opens to a large deck that overlooks a wooded backyard. There is also a large finished basement with a full bathroom and a walkout to the backyard. The second-floor master bedroom includes vaulted ceilings, a large walk-in closet, as well as a spacious master bathroom with a soaker tub and a separate shower. All of the bedrooms have a great deal of closet space, each with closet organizers. You will love entertaining all of your guests here, as well as calling this house home. The best